Welcome to this tutorial for Stride events. Today I'm going to show you how to manage teams. So you'll log into your account, and then you'll see all of the events that you have for the year. These are all, of course, our demo events that we just use for these tutorials. So today we're going to look at our basketball tournament. All right. From the sidebar menu, you're going to go to participants, and then you can go straight to manage teams. Or if you're on the view participants page, we've got this handy button here that says view teams. And then you can see all of your teams here. Now you'll notice that the teams that I'm seeing right now are just my participant organized teams. So I can control what team captains can do on those teams. So they can edit the team name, edit the password, if they can assign a new captain, if they can email teammates. If you had the captain pay for the whole team, instead of having everyone pay for their own registration, you just had a team captain create the team price, and then everyone else could register for free. You could let the team captain delete those free teammates if something changed and they needed to get someone else on their team, like if someone couldn't do it. And then you can set a deadline for captain edits. And then for team name uniqueness, you can have it be across the whole event or by category. Up to you how you want to do that. It defaults to whole event. Once you're happy with these settings, you can go ahead and save them. All right, and then from this chart, I have links so I can view participants, I can look at the team captain's registration information, and I can even look at the team. So we'll look at the team. I'm going to open this in a new tab. So I can see the team name, I can change it if I need to, I can update the password if I need to, I can email the teammates from this portal, I can invite a new teammate to join the team, and I can assign a new team captain. And then I have a list of all the current teammates. It lets me know how many spots are remaining. If I need to, I can remove people from the team. All right, and then of course, if I click on these names, it will take me to their registration information. So you'll notice that the team name is down here. If I wanted to change this person's team, I can click join team and make a different assignment. I could also create a new team for that person and do that this way. I could put in the name and the team password here if I needed to. Just make sure that you hit save whenever you are making changes here. I'm not going to save anything today because I'm not worried about making those changes. So, but that's how you can manage those participant organized teams. Now let's talk about event organized teams. So if you have event organized teams, you'll see this assign teams button. If you only have participant organized teams, you won't see this. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you how to manage event organized teams. All right. So you'll see I can select different categories here. These are all of the categories that have participants that need to be assigned to teams. And then over here, I'm going to add a team. And if I need to change the category, I can, but we'll start by just doing these teams. Okay, now that I've added some teams here, I can just start from the drop down and just assign people to teams. And then since I'm on the incomplete teams view, I'm only seeing the incomplete teams. If I go to all teams, I can view all of that. I can email all of the teams by clicking this button, or I can just select a couple of teams that I want to email. Maybe I only want to email the incomplete teams to see if they can get some more people to participate, for example. Or maybe there's just something specific about each team, or maybe I'm just emailing, hey, here's your coach. I can do whatever I want to do here. So that's how you organize them. And if you ask questions during registration and you need to see those answers, you can click this button here. So that's a really nice, easy, simple way to manage all of those teams. So if I go back, now I can see all of my teams here. So that's super convenient. I can narrow it down to just the specific categories I want to look at. So that's handy too. Thanks for tuning in. Have a good one.